This will be a very simple tutorial on how to copy trade on BitGet and how to actually claim $5,000 in 6 actually tiers of rewards. Everything will be listed in the description and the first pinned comment, so make sure you check it out. Before we start, keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. Past results do not mean future results. Definitely do your own due diligence. I'll show you how I find people to trade on BitGet right here. Let's just get right into it. So what you want to do is, first things first, you can check all of this out and claim the bonuses. The first thing you want to do is go in the description, click sign up and claim the bonuses. There's a bunch of rewards. Just for signing up you get 10-20 bucks, and then for depositing you get different tiers of rewards and different bonuses in the reward center. I'll zoom in a little bit if you are watching from a mobile device, but when you click on copy trade, you can copy different people, right? The most famous one for a while is Hege Sensei, who has over 100 grand in AUM, or assets under management. You have other people like Owens that has over 400 grand and so on. You can actually filter people out based on ranking, followers, ROI, total PNL, copiers PNL, or assets under management. For total PNL, there's only one person so far that broke $1 million. Is this guy right here. We have a bunch of people that are up a lot. We have a few people that were up a lot but are not up right now. They're not on the list, like Trader W and other people. And one of the traders that I personally think is worth considering is when you go on ranking, you want to find people that have steady income, not that just create new accounts, blow up with a few good trades, and that's it. You don't want people like that. You probably want traders like this guy, and you gotta log in to see this information. I'll log in right now. I'm logged in, clicking on BTC Trading Lab again. Let's see if it works now. Then here it is, BTC Trading Lab full. You can normally, it's removed right now, but normally you can have a button right here that you can click to be alerted or notified when someone left his followers, so you can join in and follow his trades. He did 400 transactions, 268 gain. So basically ROI wise, that's 61% wins, with obviously really good. It's 1.7k total PNL, but here's the total income slowly going up. I found some other traders as well. You can see the drawdown. He does a trade every other day, like 3 trades per week, I guess, from what I can see right here. You can see here orders. You can see how he manages trades, his risk in the history, and copy trade tab. But also want to show you a few other traders that are growing in popularity. Let's just click on Owens right here. And basically what you want to find is people that just didn't blow up with one trade, like 73 gain, 2 loss. How? I have never seen something like this. What? Look at his growth trajectory. He's up a lot. Total income. How 705 trades? This is very interesting. I'll actually check this out. He just trades Ethereum. Maybe it's something like greed trading. This is what a lot of people would think, but I don't know. A lot of the positions he only holds for a few seconds. Look at this, 9 seconds. Some positions he can hold for a little longer. He's trying to hold those positions for a few minutes. So he's a scalper like me, but man, this strategy. He's just doing Ethereum. A lot of trades on Ethereum. Basically 50x leverage because he's opening too many trades at the same time. People are 14 grand. Yeah, this is one of the people that you want. Yes, high frequency, stable, short term. You also have these badges This is very, very interesting. So yeah, all you gotta do to copy a trader is click copy trade, and that's it. Again, you can follow the links in the description down below and in the first link in the comment section to get a hold of the rewards and bonuses. Love you guys. See you next one.